Sociology is the systematic study of society and social interaction. During this term, you will learn what the study of society has produced to date in terms of knowledge about people, as well as how we get to that knowledge. In this unit, you will be introduced to the three core theoretical approaches your textbook utilizes to help you learn about society. These are conflict theory, functionalism, and symbolic interaction. Conflict theory generally interprets society and social life as a competition for limited resources, social, material, and political. This competition is the conflict, and a main focus in this approach is often the inequality that results from the competition and that drives further conflict. Functionalism interprets society as a structure with interrelated parts designed to meet the biological and social needs of the individual in that society. The parts in this approach serve a function for society. The focus here is often on what keeps society stable and in working order, and social facts are often used to understand the different functions of groups, institutions, and structures. Symbolic interactionism focuses on the relationships among individuals within a society, focusing on the exchanges of meaning through language and symbols. This approach will look to how you and I interact our behaviors and communications, verbal and non, and the consequences of those interactions, which result in social patterns. Another main theme this term will be the idea of social construction and constructivism. As we move into studying social characteristics and categories, culture and social control, social institutions and structures, you will learn about the very human role in how we experience life. That is, we will explore that the social is not naturally or biologically given, rather a product of how we interact, the result of human-to-human processes. This is particularly important because if we made things as they are, then we can unmake them and reshape them and socially evolve. The sociological imagination will be your guiding light during this course. Throughout your readings, media pieces, and discussion board posts, you are asked to navigate the micro-life experiences you are exploring up to the macro underpinnings of those experiences. That means that we want to see how we, you, they fit into larger dynamics in our social world, from the family unit to the community, to the city, all the way to the global matters. Honing this ability will facilitate your development of analysis and critique and will hopefully be a skill you are able to take back home, to your work, and to your broader academic experiences. In this unit, you will then move into reviewing research methodologies for sociology, learning about how sociology gets accomplished. You will learn the difference between qualitative and quantitative methods so that you may better understand how social experiences become measurable in order to learn about society and in many cases effect social change. Your unit assignment will give you an opportunity to do some of this work hands-on. The introduction to sociology will reinforce knowledge about culture and types of societies, factors significant to our development as individuals and as members of peer and reference groups. These will be important for the foundational knowledge you will need for following new units. Be curious as you start to develop your inner sociologist, and have fun with this course.